Is it time to buy or sell Intuitive Machines stock? In this video, we will explore Intuitive Machines in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of November 6, 2024, our system has classified Intuitive Machines as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a gain of 55.21% since we initially recommended purchasing Intuitive Machines 20 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.76% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. Over the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a potential change of approximately 93%, with expected returns ranging between 54% and 152%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of about 59% over the coming year, with returns that could vary from negative 32% to positive 104%. This implies a potential price range of around $8.64 to $26.20 by this time next year. Our latest daily update for Intuitive Machines includes the headline: Significant movements in Intuitive Machines Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating by 15.43% between high and low. The Intuitive Machines Incorporated stock price experienced a decline of 9.4% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, falling from $14.15 to $12.82. The stock has now decreased for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, it fluctuated by 15.43%, moving from a day low of $11.31 to a day high of $13.06. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it has still risen by 2.07% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 30 million shares, despite the price decline. This may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly elevated risk over the next few days. In total, 38 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $481,320,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $17.14, while the lowest was $2.09. Currently, the price sits 25.2%, or $4.32, below the 52-week high, and 90.57%, or $123.18, below the all-time high recorded on February 22, 2023, when the price peaked at $136. Intuitive Machines, trading under the ticker LUNR, has recently experienced notable volatility, with a significant dip of 14.2% following a series of unfavorable announcements. Despite this, investors see potential in the company's solid year-to-date performance and expectations for strong revenue growth. A key driver for this optimism is the recently announced upsized public offering, raising $110 million, which includes an additional option for underwriters to purchase more shares. While this move leads to a dilution of around 7%, it also enhances liquidity, allowing Intuitive Machines to steer clear of debt an essential factor for long-term stability. In the short term, these announcements could lead to further price fluctuations as investors digest the implications of the public offering while weighing the potential for continued revenue growth from upcoming NASA contracts. Currently, Intuitive Machines has zero debt and a robust cash position of $170 million, enhancing its appeal. The company's future projects, specifically the IM-2, IM-3, and IM-4 missions, are sold out, suggesting steady demand and a promising revenue trajectory. Overall, while the stock faces short-term pressures from dilution and market reactions, the long-term outlook appears positive, driven by strong project backlogs and an improving balance sheet. This dual narrative of volatility mixed with growth potential makes LUNR a stock to watch closely. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned LUNR a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Canaccord Genuity also rated LUNR with a buy grade and a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, B. Riley rated LUNR with a buy grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Canaccord Genuity once again gave LUNR a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Benchmark also assigned LUNR a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to the stock of Intuitive Machines. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intuitive Machines. Intuitive Machines Inc. stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $14.44. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $10.60. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. There have also been some negative signals, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, November 29, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 21.59%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased during yesterday's price drop, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 19 days ago. The short-term moving average has a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has also indicated a buy signal from 21 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average had a buy signal from 21 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 76 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal from 64 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Analyzing support, risk, and stop loss for Intuitive Machines. Intuitive Machines Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $12.42. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock is likely to experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.75 between its high and low, translating to a movement of 15.43%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 12.54%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Intuitive Machines, let us briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intuitive Machines. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intuitive Machines is at $14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intuitive Machines faces its first support level at $12.42. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intuitive Machines from various analyst sources is categorized as a sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of November, 2024, Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed executed an insider sale of 1,637,883 shares of common units. On the same day, Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed also conducted an insider sale of 1,637,883 shares of Class C common stock. On that same date, Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed made an insider purchase of 1,637,883 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 18th of November, 2024, Ghaffarian Kamal Sayed executed an insider sale of 1,637,883 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of November, 2024, Vonter Steven made an insider sale of 1,218 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 51.055. In total, insiders have purchased 6,954,661 shares and sold 22,182,993 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.19, reflecting a decline of 4.94%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 3 days ago. Is Intuitive Machines stock a good buy? Intuitive Machines Inc. presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting a strategy of holding or accumulating while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of December, we anticipate that Intuitive Machines will open lower, approximately 425/10,000ths of a dollar, beginning trading at $12.40. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not rely solely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment actions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us at Stock Invest.